Hi everyone, welcome to Virginia Bakes. I'm Virginia. In this video, we are going to make the King Arthur Baking Company's sourdough waffles. I have sourdough starter in the fridge. It's about time for its weekly feeding. So this is a great opportunity to use that discard for a recipe, and this one should be pretty simple. It is like a 2-day situation though. We're gonna make up the sponge right now, leave that overnight, and then finish the batter and make some waffles tomorrow. You can also use this to make pancakes, but according to the 970 something reviews on their website, most people, they make a pancake and then they make a waffle and then they eat the pancake and then they eat the waffle and they never make the pancakes again. They stick with the waffles. Apparently the waffle version is the way to go. So that's what I'm gonna do, because out of, the breakfast, you got the pancakes, you got the French toast, and you got waffles. Depending on the French toast bread that you use, like a nice homemade brioche, that's really good. Pancakes for me always comes in last. And so waffles and French toast tie for first place. So I'm a big waffle fan. So I thought this was a great opportunity to give these a try. And so let's get started. We're gonna start with 120 grams of all-purpose flour. This bigger bowl is kind of too heavy for this scale, and I needed a scale in my color scheme. So this is what I have to do. Normally, I have a more heavy-duty scale that can handle the bowl and all the ingredients, but I want the colors to be pretty. Next is 113 grams of white whole wheat flour. So the version on the King Arthur website uses all-purpose flour, but the book says this is a great way to get some extra vitamins in the wheat germ and fiber in the bran. So we'll do this. All right, so 113 grams of white whole wheat flour into the bowl. What's next? 25 grams, so that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. I won't weigh that. I'm gonna use an actual measuring spoon for this. This is a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon that my lovely sister-in-law gave me a few years back. But I am curious, just while we're here to test, let's see how accurate this is. 2 tablespoons should be 25 grams of sugar. It's 31 grams. Do I trust the scale more than the spoon? Don't tell my sister-in-law. Oh, Lordy. Okay, there we go. And then we're just gonna stir these flours and sugar together. Then we're gonna weigh our buttermilk. It's 2 cups or 454 grams of buttermilk. Yes, I weigh my liquid ingredients as well. Just weigh all the things. I weigh as many ingredients as I possibly can. The small stuff like teaspoons and tablespoons, not so much. Although the 2 tablespoon spoon that I have is maybe not accurate. It could be user error, or maybe the scale's not accurate. Oh no, I'm questioning all the things. I'm questioning everything. We're just making waffles. It's fine. All right, put that in the bowl, and then we're gonna stir that up real good. Now, the last step for our sponge is 1 cup or 227 grams of sourdough starter. And then we are going to add that to the rest of this and stir it up. Okay, well, it smells sourdoughy, so that's a good sign. We are to cover this loosely with plastic wrap. I have a big pack of shower caps, clean shower caps that are very handy when it comes to bread making and such. So I'm just gonna use a shower cap for this. So the book says, let this sit at room temperature overnight. We will have to add some to it in the morning, some eggs, melted butter, salt, baking soda, and we will come back in the morning and make some waffles and see if we've done a good job. But for now, our sponge is good to go. And yeah, see you in a bit. Good morning, we are back. The sponge is looking great. I'll show you that in a moment. First, we're going to prepare the other half that we'll add to the sponge, which is going to be 2 large eggs at room temperature, a half a stick of butter melted, some salt, and some baking soda. So let's get started. I'm really looking forward to this. I hung out with some friends last night and we got to talking and I told them about this recipe, and one of the ladies has tried it and loves it. She says it's very good. So fingers crossed I don't muck it up. Oh, Lordy, kind of like I'm mucking up this egg. So that's 2 eggs. Now a half a stick of melted butter, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And it says beat together the eggs, butter, salt, and baking soda until light. I can do that. And then the next step, it will blend the mixture into the sponge and see dramatic chemistry happen. So let's get prepared for that. So here's our overnight sponge. Bubbly. Is she stinky? Yeah, she smells great. Okay, so we are going to add and hope for an interesting, dramatic chemical reaction as promised in the book. Well, I mean, it looks interesting. We're gonna go with that. So I'm just going to give my waffle iron a little bit of a spray here. Just gonna eyeball this. Let's see, 2 of these. Ooh. Why do I feel like this is gonna come out the edges? The book says to cook these for 2 minutes in your waffle iron or until you don't see steam anymore. We're just gonna keep a close eye on it. I can confirm it smells great. It smells yeasty. It smells like sourdough. Still steaming. Still steaming. Should I open it up and take a look? So pretty. While we're waiting, let me just remind you, if you're enjoying this content, please like the video and subscribe here if you're new. It helps my channel tremendously if you like the video and if you subscribe, and also if you leave a message. I would love to know in the comments, are you a team waffle, team pancake, or team French toast? And then if you do try these, let me know how yours turned out. Look at this guy. I feel like, I mean, it's still steaming, but it's so impatient. So as you can see, there's still some steam, but this guy is very golden brown. I think we might be okay. Let's find out. If we're not okay, I have plenty of batter to make more. It's just me here, so I'm gonna have waffles for days. Oh, it's crunchy. That's a good sign. That's what people were saying in the comments. I should probably have another bite just to be sure I like it. It's really good, and it's so crispy. I love crispy edges on a light, fluffy waffle. The flavor's great. It's not overly sweet, so you can control the sweetness with your toppings. Someone in the comment section did mention these are really great for chicken and waffles. And yeah, I would have to, imagining what that would be with this waffle, yes, I would agree with that. This would probably make a very, very good chicken and waffle. They would make really great pancakes with some inclusions like some pecans or blueberries, bananas, chocolate chips. It's like it gets better with every bite. Okay, I think it's a winner. I'm very happy for my first attempt. Didn't seem to have any struggles. I'm just gonna keep eating, apparently, this waffle. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, make sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you've done with the waffles. You'll find my Instagram in the description below. So I'm Virginia. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and happy baking.